Hi friends, welcome to my channel J C Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a restaurant style vegetable pulao. Hope you guys enjoy and watch my show. For today's recipe we need two part. So first part is making a green gravy and then the second part is making vegetable pulao. For the green gravy we need mint leaves and coriander leaves. That's the chopped one. I keep it chopped and freeze in the freezer. So that's when I put it in the mixer jar. And then green chilies, cloves, cinnamon stick, fennel seed, and ginger and garlic. That's the diced one. And the mixed vegetable for the main ingredient. Main vegetable pulao, sliced onions, chopped tomato, and bay leaves. That's all the ingredients we need, and salt and oil as needed. So first of all I'm going to make a green gravy. For green gravy I'm going to put the tawa on the cooker, and then add some ghee or oil. I'm using ghee for this vegetable pulao, so that's make more tastier. That's why I'm using ghee on it. So once the ghee melted, we're going to add that we're going to fry that green gravy ingredients. So first I'm going to add cinnamon stick and 3-4 cloves, and then I'm going to add fennel seed now. So fennel seed added now, and then diced ginger, diced garlic, and then fry it until the raw taste goes. Salt it well. Now I'm going to add that green chili. So I use that frozen green chili, that's why it's showing like that. When you put frozen green chilies, it will be, you should be very careful. Just fry it on that ghee. Once it's fried, we can add it into the blender and then blend it and keep it aside. Now I'm adding that one to that blender, put it in the blender, and then grind it like a paste. So that green gravy is ready, green paste is ready when it's blended. Once it's done, keep it on the side for later. I will show you what to do. Okay, now put another one. Put some ghee or oil. Once it melt, I'm going to add bay leaves. I'm going to add 3 medium onion sliced. You can add a pinch of salt to cook it fast. So it's almost sorted now. Now I'm going to add chopped tomatoes. That's also 3 tomatoes added. Yeah, now it's almost that tomatoes is cooked. Now I'm going to add that mixed vegetable. Yeah, you can add any vegetables as you like. So I'm going to add mixed vegetables now. Okay, now I'm going to add some salt. And I'm going to add that green gravy what we made. I'm going to add 2 spoons of yogurt. And mix it well. Check the salt. Need a bit more salt. Now I'm going to add a soaked, washed and soaked rice, basmati rice. Yeah? It's a 4 cups rice. Yep, now I'm going to mix it together. As I told, this is 4 cups of rice. So I'm going to add 6 cups of water in it, and then I'm going to cook it. I'm going to add 6 cups of cold water on it, and then cook it with the lid on for 1 whistle. Then it will be ready. When the fully pressure gone, I'm going to open the lid now. It should be careful, yeah. Now it's cooked properly. Just mix it together. It's almost there. It's there now. It's cooked now properly. Now we can transfer to the serving plate, and then I will show you. Our vegetable pulao restaurant style is ready now. It's look very yummy and tasty. It's very tasty and yummy. You try it and then enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoy that show. If you like my cooking, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.